Hello Stampers and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I wanted to do an unboxing and reveal of the You Are Amazing project kit. This is one of the new kits in the January to June 2021 Stampin' Up! Mini catalog. And I am already in love with this kit because this box is amazing. Look at that shine! It's Bermuda Bay and has that fabulous foil edge, and then just wait. Look at the polka dots! Well, actually they're not really polka dots. They're more like stars. Hopefully it'll focus for you. But they're like in a nice pattern, so they kind of make you think of polka dots when you first glance at it. But this fabulous little box holds all of the supplies to make this card kit. This card kit is not an all-inclusive one. It is one that you need a few additional tools and supplies for, including the You Are Amazing stamp set, which is this one here. So you can see it's got fabulous greetings. Trying to get rid of the glare for you. Fabulous greetings for birthdays, celebrations, and things like that. I also think this will be super fun to put any sort of greeting in on any occasion card. So super cute. And then this is a great background item that you can stamp as a background on your project or on an envelope or on the inside of a card too. So it all coordinates together. So let's look at this kit on the inside. As you can see by the brochure, there are 4 different styles of cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's different envelopes, and there's a total of 16 cards. And of course the instructions have, or this little pamphlet has all the instructions as well as photos of the cards. I love the photos because I'm a visual person and I like to look at the pictures and replicate that rather than actually following instructions. I'm horrible with following instructions. Just ask my husband when it comes to reading a recipe. I'm like, oh, what's the difference? Just add a little bit more in there. Okay, so we have some fabulous baker's twine. This is green and white. Let me double check all the colors. The colors used in this kit are Bermuda Bay, Flirty Flamingo, Gold, Granny Apple Green, Mango Melody, Pretty Peacock, and White. So this is Granny Apple Green and White Baker's Twine. And here's our box. Let me grab a pair of scissors. Who would have thought I'd sit down for an unboxing and reveal and forget scissors? Okay, so we can toss the packaging aside. Toss our scissors aside. So it looks like one card base style is Whisper White on the inside with those fabulous, they kind of look like a flower, but they also kind of just look like a weed. I'm not really sure, but anyway, it's got that fabulous Mango Melody and Pretty Peacock. And it's the front, ooh, it's Mango Melody solid on the back. I thought it was the front and the back. And then Whisper White on the inside for decorating and writing on. And then, ooh, look at those. We have, these are actual polka dots, not stars, but they're like Bermuda Bay foil polka dots on the front, solid Bermuda Bay on the back, and white on the inside. So that's another set. Then we have some Granny Apple Green and some beautiful stripes. Those are super colorful. So stripes, white on the inside, and Granny Apple Green on the back side. And then the last card set is Pretty Peacock. And it's actually Pretty Peacock solid on the front and the back, Whisper White on the inside. Then we have our envelopes. So you can see, I think there's 2 different styles. Ooh, look. It's like watercolor washed. So there's some mango envelopes and let's see. Oop, there's also some Bermuda Bay envelopes. So mango and Bermuda Bay, and it's got that fun like watercolor wash. Like it almost doesn't look solid. It's just watercolor-ish. That's what I'm going with there. So then there's all of the envelopes. Now we also have Some fabulous printed pieces with the tulips and some of that flirty flamingo. That probably goes on that one if I had to guess. There's 4 of those. And then here we have some die cuts of the Pretty Peacock and Mango Melody. And so these are banners, and then those are just circles. And then these, oh my gosh! Look how gorgeous that is. Bermuda Bay foil. And there's circles, 2 circles and 2 labels. And then there's rectangle scalloped rectangles. Those are stunning. Oh my gosh, I love it. And they're so shiny and pretty. Okay, then we also have little like rectangle die cuts. I'll just go ahead and pop these out. And they are Pretty Peacock with a gold foil trim. Sort of a more elegant look, I would say. And then, oh, we have some gold foil with these fabulous, it's just a strip. So they're not actually banner tips on the ends. It's literally just a strip going straight across. Makes for a nice look for a present or something. And then these are super fun. So that's that star image that's on the front. And then these are just die cuts as well. So we'll pop those out and add them to the pile. A lot of the labels that have, that I stamp on, that are, you know, open for me to stamp on, like these, I don't like to pop out because I find it better to stamp as a full sheet than it is to stamp as just a small little label. I just find it easier to focus on a bigger piece than a smaller piece when I'm stamping. So those I'm not going to pop out, but it does look like they gave us 4 sheets, so 1 of each for each of the cards, I'm guessing. But super cute. They have that gold foil edging for a little extra sparkle and shine. A little thicker on the one than the other. And then we have vellum. So there's vellum tags. I hope you guys can see the vellum tags since it's kind of clear-ish. But it's got like a pointy edge on the bottom, and then it does have a tag hole here at the top. And then there's, oh, here's another vellum tag. And then these are actually vellum banners. So there's banner tips on one end, but they're straight across on the top side. So you can see the banner tips down here and then straight across on the top. Super, super cute. I can't wait to assemble this. I plan on assembling this on one of my Facebook Lives so that we can all have fun together. And I might possibly be doing this as a class so that you can join in the fun and we can all stamp together, creating our You Are Amazing project kit and have 16 cards in our stash for 2021. So if you're interested in that, let me know in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to check out my blog for more inspiration and ideas, laurastamppad.com. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel, and I'll see you at next time. Bye-bye!